Crossover step. Mastering this essential English phrase. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, crossover step. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Crossover step is a phrase that's often used metaphorically. To cross over means to go from one side to another, and a step is a movement made by lifting the foot and setting it down in a new position. So, when we combine these words, it suggests a motion or action that involves a significant change or transition. Let's look at some examples to understand how crossover step is used in everyday language. Taking the new job was a big crossover step for her, moving from accounting to marketing. Deciding to study abroad is a major crossover step in a student's life. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe important changes or transitions in various contexts. When using crossover step, be careful not to confuse it with literal physical movement. It's a metaphorical phrase. For instance, saying, "He took a crossover step to reach the other side of the room," is incorrect because here, it's used literally, not metaphorically. Try creating your own sentences using crossover step. Think about significant changes or decisions in life, like career moves, educational choices, or personal growth steps. Share your sentences in the comments below. Understanding and using phrases like crossover step can really enhance your English communication skills. It's all about crossing over from just knowing the language to using it effectively and creatively. Hope this video has been helpful, and feel free to revisit it anytime you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.